What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. You could do this using your Instagram app or your Facebook. In this case we'll be opening our Facebook, and at the top right corner just below the message icon you can tap on your avatar. Then you'll need to scroll down to find settings and privacy. Then select settings here. Then at the top you have account center. Tap on it and it's going to show you your profiles. As you can see, there are two profiles there and both profiles are connected. Then what you'll need to do is to scroll down to where you have account. Tap on it and you can see both accounts. You can see the account for Facebook and you can see the account for Instagram. Now what you'll need to do if you want to disconnect your Instagram from Facebook is to simply tap on remove, and it's going to ask you for a confirmation if you want to remove your Instagram username account from the account center on Facebook. As you can see, it says this will not delete or deactivate your account, of course, but you will lose access to connected experiences. So this practically disconnects Instagram from your Facebook. If you'd like to do the same on your Instagram, right over here on Instagram, you're going to tap at the bottom right corner of your profile icon. And then at the top right corner, you're going to tap on the three dashes right there, the hamburger menu. Go to account center, tap on it. And you can see something similar to what we had in our Facebook. You're going to scroll down to where you have accounts and you can see the same thing we saw on Facebook. So you could either do this using your Facebook app or your Instagram app. So all you need to do, if it's Instagram you want to disconnect, simply tap on the Instagram and remove it. Of course, you want to use the Facebook if you want to disconnect Instagram from Facebook and vice versa. So this is how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook.